Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Today we are going to discuss an important concept in polynomials and factorization, that is dividing polynomials. So when the ordinary numbers are there, how can we divide? When the polynomials are given, how can we divide? So this is very important concept. This is not only important for the 9th class, in the higher classes repeatedly we can deal with this polynomial and divisibility concept. So that's why listen carefully. Look at here now. Divide 25 by 3. That means what? We will divide like this. 25 we are dividing with 3. Okay. Now 2 is less than 2, 3. So that's why we will take 25. So 3 8 ja 24. So 1 is the remainder. Here this is what? Dividend. This is what? Divisor. This is what? Quotient. And this one is remainder. Okay. According to the division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm, what we can get here? So 25 is equal to, we can get 25 by multiplying these two. 3 into 8, 3 8 are 24 plus 1. That means what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the Euclid's division algorithm. Is it clear now? So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we can divide like this. This is a division process. So if you take the second one, 20 divided by 5. We are dividing 20 by 5. So already 2 is in. We will take the total number. 5 4 is 20. So what is the remainder here? 0. So according to this here, 20 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 0. 5 4 is 20. Here remainder value is 0. Remainder value is 0. So whenever the remainder value is 0, we can say that therefore 20 is divisible by, or 20 is perfectly divisible by 4, or we can say that 20 is the multiple of 4, or we can say that 4 is the factor of 20. 20 is divisible by 4, or 20 is a multiple of 4, or simply we can say that 4 is a factor of 20. So whenever ordinary numbers are there, we will divide like this here. So what is the division algorithm? Division algorithm says dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have to recognize what is dividend and what is divisor and what is quotient, what is the remainder. If the remainder value is 0, we can say that 20 is a multiple of 4, or we can say that 4 is a factor of 20. Now once you observe the third one, so this is very important for us. Divide this 3x cube plus x square plus x by x. Here no number is there. Only these two are the polynomials. This is the second degree polynomial and this is the first degree polynomial. When the polynomials are there, how can we divide? So this is very important. Look at here now. How can we divide? 3x cube plus x square plus x. We are dividing with x. Okay. First we will take this one. 3x cube divide with x here. 3x cube we are dividing with x. So then x 1x get cancelled, 3x square. This is 3x square. Okay, just we have to multiply x by 3x square to get the first term. So this is our first step. What we have to multiply with? 3x square. So 3x square into x is 3x cube. Now, while subtracting, the sign will change. Here plus is n, it will become minus. Now this one get cancelled. Next we can get here x square along with x. In the next step, again, here x square is there. Divide with x. X get cancelled, we will get only x. So to get this term, just we have to multiply with x. So plus x. X into x. X square. So there is no term is there to multiply. No need. Again subtraction. This one get cancelled. Now x. X. Again divide with x. X get cancelled, we can get 1. So just we have to multiply with 1. Plus 1. 1 into x is x. The sign will change. X get cancelled. Answer is 0. Look at here now. Here the remainder value will become 0. According to the Euclid's division algorithm, how can you write this one? We will write like this here. 3x cube plus x square plus x dividend is equal to x into 3x square plus x plus 1 plus 0. Here 0 is the remainder. Then we can say that x is the factor of this one, or this term is also the factor of this one, or this is the multiple of x and this is the multiple of this also. So clear now? So like this we can divide when the polynomials are given. So more we will discuss. Now look at here. Divide 2x square plus x plus 1 by x. The same method we will use here also. 2x square plus x plus 1. We are dividing with x. We are dividing with here x. Now first, what is the first step? 2x square by x. First term by this one. X, 1x get cancelled. Here we can get 2x. So just we have to multiply with the 2x. 2x. 2x into x. 2x square. Then subtraction. The sign will change here. This one get cancelled. X plus 1. Now x. Take the first term only. X. Divide with x here. 1. So just we will multiply with 1. Only 1 here. 1 into x is x. This thing. Again subtraction. X get cancelled. 1. So here we got the remainder value as here 1. Constant. We have to stop here. But because the degree of x is 1, the degree of 1 is x to the power of 0. When the degree is less than 2, that we will stop. Right? Now, according to the property. What is the property? Euclid's division lemma. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is Euclid's division algorithm. According to that here, dividend 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to x into 2x plus 1 plus 1. So this is the concept. If you want to verify whether our answer is correct or not, simple. This is LHS, not take the RHS part. RHS. What is that? X into 2x plus 1 plus 1. Just multiply. X into 2x is 2x square. X into 1 is x plus 1. Once you observe, 2x square plus x plus 1. This is automatically LHS. Easily we can verify whether our answer is correct or not. Is it clear now? Now go for the next. Now 3x square plus x minus 1, which is divisible by x plus 1. Okay, students. Now we will divide with 3x square by x. No need to take plus 1. X get cancelled. Simply this will be 3x. So we will multiply with 3x. 3x into x. 3x square. Previously we have only one term, but here plus 1 is also there. No problem. Directly we will multiply with it. Plus 3x into 1. 3x. Subtraction. This one get cancelled. Plus x minus 3x. We will get minus 2x. 1 apple minus 3 apple. That is nothing but minus 2 apples. Minus 1. Okay. Now minus 2x by x. X get cancelled here, we can get minus 2. So just we will multiply with minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. This is minus 2. Again plus, and this is plus. This one get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2 is nothing but 1. Again, we got the remainder value as 1. So then, dividend 3x square plus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 plus 1. So like this we can solve. So one more time we will check whether our answer is correct or not. Just take the RHS part. X plus 1 into 3x minus 2 plus 1. So now x into 3x, 3x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, plus 1 into 3x, 3x, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, plus 1. So 3x square minus 2x plus 3x is just plus x. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Once you observe 3x square plus x minus 1. So it is very easy for us to divide. So this is very important to remember. This is very important for 4 marks question. So look at here now. Divide the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and verify the remainder with the 0 of the divisor. Okay. One more important concept is given here, remainder with 0 of the divisor. So how can we verify? We will check now. First, while dividing, we have to recognize whether the given question is in the standard form or not. Standard form in the sense here power 4 is in a 4th degree polynomial. 4, 3, but 2 is not there. At the place of 2, we will write 0 into x square. And 1 is there, constant is there. Okay, that is the standard form. If it is in the standard form, directly we will divide. If it is not in the standard form, we have to make that as a standard form and we can verify. Then only it is very easy for us to solve. So we will write like this here. 2x power 4 minus 4x cube. X square is there, na? So plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1. So we added this term for our convenience. And we are dividing with x minus 1. Is it clear? No. 2x power 4 dividing by x. One x get cancelled and this will becomes 2x cube. So just we will multiply with the 2x cube. 2x cube into x. 2x power 4. 2x cube into minus 1. Minus 2x cube. Now this is minus and plus. This one get cancelled. Minus 4 apples plus 2 apples. This is minus 2 apples. Plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1. We will take the total term here. Now again 2x cube minus 2x cube is there by x. X get cancelled, square we can get here minus 2x square. Just we will multiply with the minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Minus 2x square into x. Minus 2x cube. Minus 1 into minus. Plus 2 into 1. 2x square. Next. This will be plus and this will becomes minus. This one get cancelled. This is 0x square. No need to write anything. Minus 2x square this one. Minus 3x and minus 1. Now again minus 2x square by x. One x get cancelled and this will be minus 2x. Just multiply with the minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x into x. Minus 2x square. Minus into minus. Plus 2x into 1 is 2x. Again the sign will change here. This one get cancelled. Minus 3 apples, minus 2 apples. This is minus 5 apples. This is minus 1. Now again minus 5x by x. X get cancelled. Simply this is minus 5. We will multiply with the minus 5 here. Minus 5. Minus 5 into x. Minus 5x. Minus into minus. Plus 5 1 5. Plus and minus. This one get cancelled. We can get minus 6. Our remainder value is here minus 6. Here the question is verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. This is a minus 6. So we have to verify our remainder value is either minus 6 or not by using the 0 of the divisor. So how can you find out this one? 0 of the divisor. So we are multiplying with x minus 1 now. To find out 0, just equate it to 0. Then what we can get here? X is equal to 1. Whatever it may be the term we are dividing, just equate it to 0 to find out 0 of the divisor. So then x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the divisor. By using this, we can verify whether our remainder is same or not. First take this one. P of x, the polynomial, 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. In the place of x, just replace 1. P of 1, 2 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 power 4 is nothing but 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 only. 4 times. 1 only. Minus 4 into 1 cube in 1 into 1 into 1. This is 1 only. Minus 3 minus 1. 2 1 is 2. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. 2. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Once look at here. This is the remainder. Here also P of 1 is equal to minus 6. So our answer is 100% correct. What we did, the solution is perfectly correct. We verified this by using our 0 of the divisor. So this is very, very important concept. In the next session, we will discuss more different problems. So thank you very much.